On one of my Engwe EP-2 3.0 boost range test videos, one of the comments was about, was this bike legal in the UK? This isn't legal advice, but this is what the government website says about e-bikes and the rules. You can ride an electric bike if you're 14 or over, as long as it is an electrically assisted pedal cycle, or for short, an EAPC. You do not need a licence to ride an EAPC, and it does not need to be registered, taxed or insured. When your bike is an EAPC, it must have pedals that can be used to propel it, can have more than 2 wheels, for example a tricycle. Its electric motor must have a continuous rated power output of no more than 250 watts and must not be able to propel the bike when it's travelling at more than 15.5 miles per hour. What your EAPC must show. Markings on the bike must show both the continuous rated power output, the bike manufacturer. It must also show either the battery's voltage or the maximum speed the motor can propel the bike. So first of all, obviously the bike has pedals and it's a torque sensor, so you have to pedal the bike. On the frame it shows you the manufacturer Engwe with the model number, and an EAPC sticker with a cut-off speed of 25 km an hour or 15.5 miles an hour and a maximum continuous rated power of 250 watts. So as long as you ride the bike at the proper speed and don't unlock it, you should be totally fine. Don't forget to like this if this has been useful to you, and I'll see you again. Bye bye.